Hello, ma'am. My name is Giselle Sigora, and I am from Group A. My topic would be about or under the meta language of the Module 4 in Unit Learning A. Um, my topic would be the chart pattern, the moving average, and the oscillator. So first, let's discuss chart pattern. So chart pattern, it is a shape within a price chart that helps to suggest what prices might do next based on what they have done in the past. So chart pattern, this is a pattern within a chart when the prices is graphed. So a chart pattern, it plays a very large role in the technical analysis, and it is used as either reversal or continuation conditions or continuation signals. And there are three main types of chart pattern in the technical analysis that is used in the technical analysis rather. So first is the traditional chart pattern, which it is a common pattern that has been introduced for more than 100 years. The example could be the double top reversal or the double bottom reversal, and there's a lot more. And I guess it would be discussed by the following reporters. So the next type of chart pattern would be the harmonic pattern. This is the one that have geometric price pattern by using the Fibonacci numbers to define the precise turning periods. And the last type of chart pattern would be the candlestick pattern, which is this is a movement of the prices that is shown graphically in the candlestick chart. So my next topic would be about moving average, which it is a stock indicator that is commonly used in technical analysis. So moving average, this is a calculation that is used to analyze data profit by making a series of average of different subsets of the fall data set. Or in finance, this is a stock indicator that is used in the technical analysis. So why is there a need to calculate the moving average of a stock? So calculating the moving average of a stock helps to smooth out the price data by making a series or a constantly updated average price. Okay. So my last topic would be about the oscillator. So it is a technical analysis tool that constructs high and low bands between two extremes values and then builds a trend indicator that fluctuates within those bands. So the traders use oscillator to determine the short-term overbought and the oversold of a stock. So when the value of a oscillator reaches the upper extreme level, it does mean that the stock is overbought. While if the oscillator reaches the lower extreme, it indicates that the stock is oversold. So in technical analysis, oscillator is one of the most important technical tools that an investor should understand. And I guess that would be all about my report, ma'am. I hope you have a good day and be safe and advance Merry Christmas. Thank you.